This is going to be a video tutorial on how to crop images into shapes using Inkscape. Let me jump over to Inkscape here. Okay, I have Inkscape open now and I have an image on my canvas here. To crop a shape out of an image in Inkscape, first thing you want to do is go off to the left hand side to the tools panel over here, and you want to select a shape. You can select a rectangle and crop out a smaller shape on your image. You could select an ellipse. You could select a star or polygon. I'm going to use a star. I'm going to click on the star polygon tool. Then I'm going to go up to the top up here and I'm going to select star here. And how many corners do I want? I want 5 corners for my star. Now I'm going to go down to my image here, and I'm just going to hold down my left mouse button and I'm going to draw out a star here. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button. I'm going to go up to my selection tool. I'm going to click on my selection tool. I'm going to drag this star down. I'm going to resize it a little. I'm going to pull out the corner here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button on the corner and I'm going to pull this out a little, make my star a little bigger. About like that. I'm going to position it a little better. Now to crop a star out of an image like this, first thing you want to do is select both your shape and your image. I have my star already selected. I'm going to go over to my image. I'm going to hold down the shift key and I'm going to select my image. So now I have both my image and my shape selected. Next thing, I'm going to go up to the Object tab. I'm going to click on Object. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Clip, and I'm going to place my cursor over Clip. Then I'm going to go straight off to the right side here, and I'm going to click on Set Clip. Set Clip. And there we have it. I'm going to go Control Z. I'm going to back up. I'm going to select my star and delete it. I'm going to do this with a circle now, an ellipse. I'm going to go off to the tools panel, off to the left side here. I'm going to select the ellipse tool. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to drag out a circle here. You don't have to make this part perfect because you could always adjust it. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button. Now I'm going to go up to my selection tool. I'm going to click on the selection tool. That's so that I can position and resize the circle. I'm going to drag out from the corner here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and drag outward. Make it just about like that. Now you can position it however you would like on your image. I'm going to leave it just about like that there. Now I already have my circle selected here. I'm going to hold down Shift and I'm going to select the image also to where they're both selected. I'm going to go up to the Object tab. I'm going to click on that. This is the same process as before. I'm going to go down to where it says Clip and I'm going to go straight off to the right side and click on Set Clip. And there we have it. That is how to crop an image into a shape using Inkscape. Thanks for watching.